Colombia is home to some of the rarest birds on Earth. From mountains to forests, these birds are found nowhere else in the world. Many are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and human activity, but with conservation efforts, we can help these rare species survive and thrive. Every action counts. Protecting Colombia's rare birds protects nature's incredible diversity.